Jesus Christ.
Do you want to know?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually feeling myself because I've not done makeup in a while, so although I'm not wearing lashes, but anyways, in today's video I'm excited for this video. I wanted to do a try on haul actually, but then hubby was at home. I was like, maybe I should just do hubby rates my outfit, blah blah blah. I went to him and said okay, so hubby is going to be rating my outfit from 1 to 10. And guys, I'm kneeling down. I don't know why I'm kneeling down actually, but I just wanted to do the intro, so sit back and enjoy this video, okay, and subscribe. So guys, this is the first outfit. Jesus Christ. From 1 to 10, how many will you give this one?
It looks so delicious. I'm gonna give it to you 10 over 10.
10 over 10. He said 10 over 10, guys. So, babe, say hi to my subscribers first. You're being so rude. Sit up and say hi.
Hi, subscriber, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't waste time, please hurry up, you know. I'm being good to you guys. So
You need to help me, I beg you, to become to my channel often. He's always running away. Eh?
Do I run away?
Anyways, second outfit. Second outfit.
You look so gorgeous.
Yeah. So DK just woke up anyways. 1 to 10, how many?
I give you 9 over 10 on this one.
9 over 10.
Yeah.
Why? Why is not 10 over 10?
What do you want me to do? Should I lie to you? Eh? But anyways, you look so good.
Thank you, boo.
But I can keep it down for 9 over 10. It's a 9 over 10 for mommy.
Guys, wear this outfit. It's 10 over 10 for me. I don't know what this man is saying.
Oh.
Outfit 3. Outfit 3. So, how many?
Oh, rating you. Oh, this is good. Very cool. I'm giving mommy 10 over 10 on this outfit. You understand? Say 10 over 10, baby.
10 over 10.
Say 10 over 10. Wow. Yeah, smile. Smile for the 10 over 10.
10 over 10. Outfit 4. Hey. Hello. Outfit 4. But do you
4 or 5?
4.
No. You said 4 before now.
I meant this is the fourth one. Understand? So
Okay, 7 over 10.
babe, 10 over 10.
Yeah. Give to your mom 10 over 10.
Say 10 over 10. 10 over. I can actually draw this gown very, very long. I can drag it to be short. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because me, I'm tired. Like, changing outfits. People should just subscribe because I'm tired. Excuse me.
Keep changing.
Yep. So, first of all, you guys know that the weather is very, very hot in Nigeria right now. So, I'm going to be ending this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the only I know it's very very short, like it's just for outfits, but just leave a comment on your best outfit and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, okay? And tell me how I look in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.